Reporting psychological investigations. The features of a psychological investigation are an abstract, an introduction, a method, results, discussion, and referencing. The abstract. This is a summary of the study. This is a short summary about 150 to 200 words in length that includes all of the major elements, the aims and the hypothesis, the method or procedure, results and conclusions. The introduction. This is a literature review. This is a look at relevant theories, concepts and studies that are related to the current study. The research review should follow a logical progression, beginning broadly and becoming more specific until the aims and hypotheses are presented. Method. The method should be detailed enough for replication. The method should include sufficient detail so that other researchers are able to replicate the study. It should include a design, so for example independent groups, naturalistic observation, etc., and the reasons/justification given for the choice. It should include the sample, so how many participants, biographical or demographic information, as long as it does not compromise anonymity, the sampling method and the target population. Apparatus and materials, so the details of any assessment instruments used and other relevant materials. The procedure should be a recipe-style list of everything that happened in the investigation. This includes a verbatim record of everything that was said to participants, briefing, standardized instructions, and debriefing. It should also include ethics, so how these were addressed within the study. Results. So this should include the descriptive and inferential statistics. It is a summary of the key findings from the investigation. Descriptive statistics such as tables, graphs and charts, measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion. Inferential statistics including reference to the choice of statistical test, calculated and critical values, the level of significance and the final outcome, i.e. which hypothesis was rejected and which one was retained. Any raw data that was collected and any calculations appear in an appendix rather than the main body of the report. The discussion. This is a summary, relationship to previous research, limitations and implications. There are several elements. A summary of findings in verbal rather than statistical form. The relationship of results to previous research. So this research may have been presented in the introduction. Consideration of the limitations of the study plus suggestions of how these might be addressed in a future study. Wider real-world implications of the research are also considered. Referencing. Referencing may include journal articles, books, websites, etc.